Again, Lilepo. Pepper 2. Lilepo. Yes! Walichaphakathi Lilepo. Yes! Mazulu, guys, asibukele le game. Nabo abafana bemakhosi. Amakhosi folayo.
Mr. Castor blows his whistle.
Lasuka lahlala
It's
ibhola.
Makosi that gets us underway there in their gold shirts and black. Next season.
Right now Mazulu attack. Unayi attack yokuqala. Peterson, yes! Guys. This Peterson is him. This guy is a goat. Yes. Hey, what a save. Yes.
My goodness.
Siyabonga Peterson.
Unbelievable. React to that. The reflex that came at him.
The timing. Yes.
To his right.
Hey, Puso was sharp Mazulu.
Fundo Vilakazi was already making progress in a bit of space in front of him. Should have done better.
Kosi.
They could be in again.
Kosi, yay!
Did that take a deflection?
Pepper 2.
Yeah, it is indeed.
Mother guys, let's be honest. I'm going to Pepper 2. Vilakazi into him.
This is great pressing from Kaizer Chiefs.
It's that combination play.
By my boy.
Yes. Pepper 2.
Yes, it took a deflection as the
Lintwana imnandi.
which doesn't allow them to hold on to the ball much.
Nayi lenye attack.
Getting in behind the
Nayi lenye attack. Awusafa. Saphela. Yasebenza defense.
great defense.
Awu.
from Chiefs as
Clear the ball madoda.
to Hadebe.
Clear the ball.
Hadebe teasing
Saphela Peterson. Awu. So this
Peterson has a shot coming.
madoda yenza le defense yethu ma.
Rather from Liam Peterson.
To be honest, Mazulu atosida la kule game le.
He got injured. He had scored 6
There's
goals.
another attack from Mazulu. Guys. Namhla ngathi akwenzeki lutho nje. Peterson! Lengwenye imatima le.
Peterson flies through the air and gets
Peterson umnandi, jealous.
And guess what? Transition play once again from Amazulu. And
What a save. Yes, Peterson. Son. Pepper 2! Yeah! No, that's not the code. Hey, Matota. Fundo.
What happens here? Zimela gets a very
Hey, that was a lovely finish by Mfundo. Hey, look, goalkeeper unenhlanhla lona.
bend it to that back post, to that far post there, William Shaw.
Mfundo Vilakazi, boy.
It might seem likely because it could have gone anywhere. But
Paper
the fact
2.
that he was able to manage the foul.
Hey,
Let's
great.
see before.
Khosi idlala
Compared to
mnandi.
Zimela this afternoon.
Sebasatheka
Go
futhi.
the other way.
Sokufuna kuminye manje.
To chase back.
Sapet. Peterson! Posoki man. Namhla mfethu, Peterson is the man of the match.
Is quality.
Peterson is the man of the match.
Looking to this one, that there's
Kiposo lena mfethu man.
Because when the ball drops,
That's Mzansi's number 1 mfethu. Zabatho Williams at the span nokuchayina.
make
Iphosa
sure
la.
that at least you got a little bit of the ball.
lengwenye
Too far
imnandi.
back. It means Amazulu comes up easily. But when you're that close, it means you have a chance to press
Right.
again. Vilakazi again.
Mfundo. Mfundo namhla udlala mnandi man. Mfundo.
Vilakazi's ball in.
That defender lethe bantu.
Frost-
Yay!
Wow. Excellent.
Frosler.
Suddenly Mzimela-
Hey madoda, uFrosla ufuna ukwenza istatement sakhe namhla ukuthi ukhona, ufuna ukushaya igoli. And that was a nice finish by Frosla man. Let ngoba uyishaya ituli. Wenzeni uyithashile ugoalkeeper.
Still, he produces a decent
Ugoalkeeper wenza save.
goalkeeper.
But that was a nice finish.
Yeah.
Frosla. And uFrosla unokuwashaya la.
Throw in a few more attacking players.
Siyabangena. Lilepo. Pepper 2. Lilepo. Yes! Walichaphakathi Lilepo. Yes, what a beautiful goal. Combination ka Pepper 2 no Lilepo. Mfethu. Amayisokhulelana iskipa Lilepo. Mina ngathi une yellow card. Lilepo na ngafuna ukuthola i-red card le-unnecessary.
He did. I think he did. Lilepo was poor.
Hakwase bamgcokisa. Wenzani Lilepo?
Yes, that's why. You see, you can see Morris telling him to put it back on. He's
Lilepo.
Rip your shit apart.
Lilepo, what are you doing?
Man. A case of activity gets
Vele kwade flag nomtholeni. But that was a beautiful goal, man. Nje ukuthi yenzani kwenya. Paper 2. Look at the pass. Mfethu Lilepo mnandi mfethu. Labantu bacriticize Lilepo nangu baprove wrong. This guy mnandi mfethu. Especially nadlala ngala ka left mfethu. Since aqale ukusebenzisa le side la ka left, uLilepo ngathi wenza amanga mfethu. Dlala mnandi.
Mzimela will be disappointed. Amazulu have had the best chances.
Yes, yes. Lilepo.
They take the lead.
Mne bengithi amaZulu shy.
This man who duly departs the
Bamnike
scene.
that card Lilepo. But asinandaba nama red card sesiwinile vele. Sesiwinile asinandaba